Once again.
Hello everyone, it's Jimmy here at Riley's Autos. Today we've come to look at this Jaguar. We're going to do a DPF clean on it. The DPF is blocked. First we're going to get a 10mm socket and an extension to take the plastic tray off underneath. And just along here you got some 10mm bolts. We can take this tray out. Here we are underneath the car, and we can see the DPF here. So we're gonna open this sensor to access the DPF, and then we're gonna fill it with some fluid. And first, we're just gonna give it a spray of WD-40. And let that sit for a minute. Now that's open, we've just got our refillable bottle here that we can fill the DPF with fluid. So we're just going to fill that up and then we'll get back. Not sure if you can see that outside, but there's an air leak we've detected. So that would be the cause of the DPF failure. So we're going to have a look at that. It's nice and tight now. So if you could see there when we were looking at that clip, the clip wasn't in place properly. We've lifted it off, refitted the intercooler intake and reclipped it. You've heard a nice click, give it a pull on it and it's staying nice and firm. And the engine sounds much better. We've not got no boost leak there now. So now we're going to have a look at the DPF and resetting the DPF values once our fluid has burned its way out from the exhaust. So here we're just clearing the fault codes on the car. It's got this battery warning light on there. He said he's had the alternator and battery changed, but we can see down here he's got 14 volts, so it is working. Maybe it just hasn't been programmed, so we're going to have a look at that for him as well. So here we're just programming the battery in to tell it it's had a new battery, see if we can get the battery warning fault to clear as well as this DPF clean we're doing. So here we're going to read the particulate filter soot value and take it for a test drive. So now that's all done, we're going to read the vehicle codes. And it's battery monitor module. So that's a separate issue he's going to have to get sorted at another time. But he said it's been like that for a long time. But yeah, DPF is all done. It's at a suitable level. We've taken it for a test drive for 20 minutes. And there's no more fault codes. So the job's all done.